Janaran children, I welcome you all to the SMPPS online learning. I'm Aarti Divedi and I hope you all are safe and secure at your places, and I hope you all are following the message given by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi about SMS. So children, it means S means social distancing, M means mask, and S means soap. So children, you must follow this to protect yourself, okay? Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 11, Sunita in Space. Basically, we are going to learn experience of Sunita Williams, one of the most famous astronaut. So let's continue this chapter. We have these objectives to complete here. In this chapter, we will learn about first, know about Sunita Williams and her experience in space. Second, understand the concept of gravity. Third, know about the space of Earth. Fourth, understand that demarcation on the Earth are man-made. And last, fifth, develop scientific temperament, etc. Let us know about Sunita Williams. Sunita was born on 19th of September 1965 in Euclid City of Ohio State, America. She was United States Navy officer. She was the second American astronaut of Indian heritage to go to space. First was Kalpana Chawla, who died in the Columbia disaster. She was the record of 195 days in space. She went to International Space Station on 9th of December 2006 in Space Shuttle Discovery. She has the record of the most spacewalk time for women, that is 50 hours and 40 minutes in 7 spacewalks. Now we will read some of her experiences that she shared when she came to India. So let us know who is an astronaut. An astronaut is a person who goes in space to learn about space, planets and heavenly bodies. Okay. We can also call them space travelers. These astronauts are given proper training to go to space. So children, let us know about some famous astronaut here. First is Neil Armstrong. He is the first man to step foot on the moon. He was an American, then comes wing commander. Second, Rakesh Sharma. He was the first Indian to go to space. He was an Indian Air Force pilot in 1984. He became a part of Intercosmos program and went to space. After that comes Kalpana Chawla. She was the first woman of the Indian origin to go to space. In 1997, she went to space in American Space Shuttle Columbia, died in an unfortunate accident with her crew members. The whole world lamented this loss. And at last, Sunita Williams. We just read about her after Kalpana Chawla. She was the second woman of Indian heritage to go to space. Now we will know some of her experiences that she shared when she came to India. Sunita says, we could not sit at one place. We kept floating in the spaceship from one end to another. So it means they can't keep their foot on spaceship. They kept on flying inside the spaceship. Water too doesn't stay at one place. It floats around as blobs. To wash our face or hands, we had to catch these blobs and wet paper with them. Here the meaning of blob is a drop of liquid. So here you can say even water kept on flying. We ate very differently there. The real fun was when all of us would float into the dining area of the spaceship and catch the floating food packets. So children, in this picture you can imagine how adventurous and fun factor it is. In space, there was no need to use comb. सुनीता विलियम कहती हैं स्पेस में कॉम की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. My hair kept standing all the time. Means स्पेस में हम लोगों को कंघी करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है क्योंकि हमारे बाल नीचे की तरफ से नहीं बल्कि ऊपर की तरफ से खड़े रहते थे हमेशा. Moving further, not being able to walk, we had to get used to floating around. We had to learn to do simple things differently. To stay at one place, we had to strap ourselves there. Papers also had to be stuck to the wall to the spaceship. It was a lot of fun living in space, but it was also very difficult. यहाँ पर सुनीता विलियम कहती हैं कि जब हम रात को सोते थे या फिर चेयर्स पे बैठकर कोई काम करते थे तो हमें अपने आप को चेयर से बांध के रखना पड़ता था ताकि हम एक जगह पर टिक सकें. चिल्ड्रन, जैसा कि आप इस पिक्चर में भी क्लियर देख सकते हैं कि दे कुड नॉट सिट एट वन प्लेस, चाहे वो खाना खा रहे हों या फिर अपना वर्क कर रहे हों. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले a Sunita Williams video which shows how things work in space. It's all about Sunita Williams' experience. So let's start.
A lot of people ask about toothbrush and toothpaste. So luckily enough, toothpaste, you can do it upside right this way, is sticky, and so it sticks to your toothbrush, no problem. Another cool thing is that water sticks to your toothbrush too. If you can see it, I'll have some water come out. And water is pretty neat up in space. It'll stick to your toothbrush and it will make a big bubble. And that's just by surface tension. And then you can drink it. So a lot of people ask about what do you do with the toothpaste after you brush your teeth. Two options. Swallow it, and it's sort of like mouthwash, but it tastes a little gross. Or you can just spit it out in a paper towel, and then you don't have to worry about it. Swallowing thing I wouldn't recommend at home. I'm only up here for 4 months, so it's not that bad.
Children, इस स्लाइड में सुनीता विलियम्स के जर्नी की कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स दिखाई गई हैं. तो आइए इनके डेट एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन को देखते हैं. 9 दिसंबर 2006 को सुनीता विलियम्स के स्पेसशिप ने टेक ऑफ किया था और इसके बाद सेकंड पिक्चर में सभी लोग उड़ उड़कर खाने के पैकेट्स को पकड़ रहे हैं. द डेट इज दिस पिक्चर इज 11 दिसंबर 2006. एक और फोटोग्राफ है 11 तारीख को ही ली गई थी. आवर फीट डोंट स्टे ऑन फुट. हमारे पैर नहीं टिकते थे, हमेशा फ्लॉट करते रहते थे, जैसा कि आपने प्रीवियस स्लाइड्स में पढ़ा है. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर, लुक माई हेयर्स इज स्टैंडिंग नो प्रॉब्लम वाइल वर्किंग. हमारे बाल स्पेसशिप में भी हमेशा खड़े रहते थे क्योंकि वहाँ पर ग्रेविटी नहीं थी, लेकिन इसका एक फ़ायदा यह था कि हमें काम करने में बहुत आसानी होती थी क्योंकि फेस के ऊपर बाल नहीं गिरते थे. दिस फोटोग्राफ इज टेकन ऑफ 13 दिसंबर 2006. Isn't it amazing? On the earth, when we throw something up, it comes down. When we throw a ball up in air, it falls back. We are able to catch it. On the earth, we don't keep floating around. When we fill a glass or bucket with water, it stays there. It doesn't float around in blobs as Sunita Williams says. It is something special about Earth that makes this happen. The Earth pulls everything towards itself. कितने कमाल की बात है ना कि हमारे अर्थ में जब भी कोई चीज ऊपर की तरफ फेंकते हैं तो वो हमेशा नीचे की तरफ आ जाती है। हमारी धरती पर कोई भी चीज ऐसे फ्लोट नहीं करती है। अगर हम ग्लास में या बाल्टी में पानी भरकर रखते हैं तो पानी वहीं पर रहता है। हमारी धरती इतनी स्पेशल क्यों है? क्योंकि हमारी धरती में ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स काम करती है और इसी ग्रेविटी की वजह से ऊपर में फेंकी हुई हर चीज जमीन की तरफ आ जाती है। So children, as you can see in this picture, why the ball always comes down? Because of gravity. Globe. Globe is model of our earth. So children, can you find India? Yes, यहाँ हमें इंडिया बहुत अच्छे से नजर आ रहा है। Where all do you find the sea? Sea means समुद्र। तो जो भी ब्लू कलर का पार्ट हमें यहाँ नजर आ रहा है ग्लोब में, वो सब समुद्र ही है। Can you see some of countries here? Yes, we can see because ग्लोब में लाइंस बनी हुई हैं कंट्रीज के बीच में। What else can you see on the globe? ग्लोब में आपको और क्या चीजें दिख रही हैं? तो हमें कंट्रीज के अलावा आइसलैंड, कंट्री की कैपिटल्स और बहुत सारी अलग अलग चीजें ग्लोब में नजर आती हैं। सुनीता ने स्पेस से अर्थ को देखा था। शी फाउंड द अर्थ इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल। और उन्होंने कहा कि हम स्पेस से इतनी दूर सिर्फ लैंड एंड अर्थ को ही अच्छे से देख सकते हैं, लेकिन अलग अलग कंट्री जो है हमें क्लियर इसमें नजर नहीं आएंगे। मूविंग फर्दर, लेट अस नो अबाउट आवर प्लैनेट अर्थ। The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and only planet in our solar system known to harbor life. The position of Earth in solar system and the presence of atmospheric gases in right proportions make this planet habitable. Children, now I will tell you how our Earth looks like. It looks like a globe. Do you know the shape of globe? It is spherical in shape. When we look at our Earth from space, it looks like a blue marble. That is why we also call it a blue planet. The blue part, that is 2/3 of Earth, is water and remaining 1/3 is land. We all have heard that Sunita went space in a spaceship. Do you know where is space? So children, everything beyond Earth atmosphere is space. All the planets are in space. The sky, the stars, the sun, moon, they all are in space. Next is, what can we see in sky? हम स्काई में क्या क्या देख सकते हैं? हम स्काई में स्टार्स देख सकते हैं, कॉन्स्टिलेशन देख सकते हैं। Now what is constellation here? जब स्टार्स आपस में जुड़कर कोई भी अलग तरीके का शेप बनाते हैं तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? कॉन्स्टिलेशन कहते हैं। ओके, हम स्काई में छोटे छोटे प्लैनेट्स देख सकते हैं। अगर ध्यान से देखें तो हमें वीनस एंड मरकरी भी नजर आ सकते हैं। हमें स्काई में सन नजर आता है, मून नजर आता है और कभी कभी मीटियोराइट्स भी नजर आता है। मीटियोराइट्स स्पेस में छोटे बड़े पत्थरों की तरह एक चीज होती है जो अर्थ के एटमॉस्फेयर में आते ही आग पकड़ लेती है। Meteorites are the object which catches fire when it comes in contact with the earth atmosphere. Okay? So children, at the end of this chapter, I have a small assignment for you all. First, keeping in mind Sunita in space, draw a sketch of yourself in space. Second, research and write name of person who invented gravity concept. Okay? So children, this is now we end our chapter. Hope you like and understand it, and I hope you learnt a lot. Thank you and Jai Narayan.